Good morning, students. This is Sain Shah, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. Today our subject, Business Regulatory Framework, in the topic, Memorandum of Association. What is Memorandum of Association? Memorandum of Association is the constitution of the company. It is the foundation upon which the whole structure of the company is built up. The preparation of the memorandum is the first step in the formation of the company. So it is the document that regulates the company's external affairs and complements the articles of association which cover the company's internal constitution. It contains the fundamental conditions under which the company is allowed to operate. Definition. As per Section 2 of the Companies Act 2013, memorandum means the memorandum of association of the company as originally framed or as altered from time to time in pursuance of any previous company's law or of this act. Next one, contents of memorandum of association. There are 6 content available in the memorandum of association. Every company must follow this 6 content. First one, name class, situation class or register office class, object class, liability class, capital class and subscriber class. First, name class. The name of the company should be stated in this class. A company name should be which is not identical in any manner to any existing company also. There are some words which are strictly prohibited to be used in names of company in any manner. The word private, it is used for private limited company, should be end in the any private company, and the word limited should be end at the end of the public limited company. Second one, situation class. In this class, the state name of the company's register office is mentioned. The company should intimate the location of register office to the registrar within 30 days from the date of incorporation, in case the permanent address of company is not given. Third one, object class. Every company have specific business which they will run after a company is incorporated. This class states all the business which this proposed company will commence after incorporation, that too in detail. Liability class. The liability class states the nature of liability that the members incur. Members are required to pay amount up to the value of nominal value of shares taken by them, but in case of unlimited members are required to pay without any limit for the debt or payment which a company is required to pay. Fifth one, capital class. This class states the authorized capital of the company and total number of shares along with value of per share. This is the limit a company can raise its capital maximum amount. Subscription class. It contains the name and address of the first subscribers. The subscribers to the memorandum must take at least 1 share. The minimum number of members is 2 in case of private company and 7 in case of public company and 1 in case of one-person company as per the Companies Act 2013. So students, I hope you understand. Thank you.